work hard to build a better future, leave a legacy, and win the game of life. We were the ones struggling with the immense wrist pain. It was only later when we realized how common this is in a digital era. That's why we created Carpio. We partnered with medical experts to eliminate the main external cause for wrist injuries. Repeated movements of the wrist in an unnatural position. The obvious way of relaxing the muscles in your wrist was to decrease the harmful extension. But unlike the conventional wrist rests, Carpio enables the movement from your whole arm to decrease the wrist deviation as well. Another feature unique to Carpio is that it doesn't put pressure on the carpal part, but sits at the base of your palm. Most importantly, Carpio has already improved thousands of lives around the globe. This you cannot simulate in the lab. No matter how hard you work to succeed, the desire to stay healthy always comes first.